In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a short quiz video using ChatGPT and Canva. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow. So by the end, you'll have a ready-to-post short-form video for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. First, open ChatGPT and ask for quiz ideas. This is a great starting point if you're not sure what kind of content to make. You can request fun, engaging ideas that work well in short videos, especially ones that encourage viewers to pause, think, and interact. The goal here is to quickly generate a concept that's entertaining and easy to turn into a visual format. Once you have a few ideas, choose a simple quiz format. For example, you might go with an emoji quiz, a word quiz, or a general knowledge quiz. Keeping the format simple is important because short form videos need to be easy to understand immediately. Viewers should know what they're looking at within the first second or two. A clean, familiar quiz style also makes the editing process much faster. After that, ask ChatGPT to create the questions and answers for your chosen format. This saves time and helps you build a full quiz quickly. Make sure the questions are short, clear, and suitable for on-screen text. In short-form content, readability matters a lot, so shorter questions usually perform better. You'll also want answers that are easy to reveal in a satisfying way at the end of each question. Next, open Canva and choose a short-form video template. Look for a vertical template that fits mobile viewing, since that's the standard for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Using a template gives you a strong visual structure right away and helps your video look more polished, even if you're creating it quickly. Then add the quiz questions, timers, and answer reveals. This is where your video really comes to life. Place each question clearly on screen, add a countdown timer to build suspense, and then reveal the answer in a way that feels smooth and satisfying. Make sure the timing gives viewers enough time to think without making the video feel slow. Once the structure is in place, add music, animations, and visual effects. These elements help hold attention and make the video feel more dynamic. Just be careful not to overdo it. The quiz should remain the main focus, and the visuals should support it, not distract from it. When everything looks good, export the video from Canva, review it once before posting to catch any text errors or timing issues. Finally, upload it to YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Choose the platform that best fits your audience, and your quiz video is ready to go.